Good morning, students. We are studying chapter 2 Microorganisms, Friend and Foe. In the last presentation, we have seen different types of microorganisms like bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoa, virus, etc. Today, we will see the uses of microorganisms. The topic for today is friendly microorganisms, the microorganisms which work as our friend. So moving on to our topic, microorganisms as friend. Microorganisms play an important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some other are harmful and causes diseases. Let us study about them in detail. Friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for various purposes. The most common use of microorganisms are in the preparation of curd, bread and cake. Topic for today is microorganisms and its uses. Number 1 is production of dairy products. Dairy products are the products which are made of milk. Bacteria are the key players in the making of dairy products. Bacteria help in fermentation, which helps in making different forms of dairy products from milk like curd, buttermilk, butter, cheese. Streptococcus is the most common genus of bacteria that are used in the commercial production of this product. Bacteria are also used in the making of bread. A species of Streptococcus is added to the dough before making bread to bring about the required fermentation. Alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic drinks are prepared or manufactured by the process of fermentation. Each drink is derived from a different starting product such as potato and grapes. Then it is fermented, distilled and alcohol is prepared. The commonly used microorganisms here is different types of fungus like yeast. Some even use bacteria and fungus. Organic acids are commercially prepared using fungi. Acetobacter, Rhizopus, Penicillium are a few fungi that are used to ferment substrates such as fruits and sugar containing syrups. Examples of acids that are derived and manufactured on a large scale using fungi are acetic acid, citric acid, gluconic acid, fumaric acid and lactic acid. Many microbes are used in the derivation of enzymes such as lipase, lactose, protease, peptidase, to name a few. Steroid production is also done by the use of microorganisms. Some bacterial and fungal species are used in the preparation of steroids that are then injected into human body for different purposes. Microorganisms are very beneficial in the sewage treatment. Not only are microorganisms helpful to our body, they are also helpful to the environment. They help in the secondary treatment stage of sewage treatment. Certain bacterial and fungal species are also used as insecticides. Insecticides keep certain insects and pests away from crops. The most important functions of microorganisms is maintaining the fertility of soil. Microorganisms play a very important role in maintaining the fertility of the soil. They help in the compositing process which forms manure. Also, microorganisms present in the soil help aerate it and enrich the soil with nitrates and other nutrients. These nutrients are needed by the crops for an abundant harvest. Microorganisms are also used in the production of vitamins, antibiotics and antivirals. Production of vitamins. An essential vitamin that people need for proper digestion is vitamin B12. Fungi are responsible for manufacturing B12. Production of antibiotics and antivirals. Bacteria and viruses are isolated and their antigens and enzymes are extracted. These antigens help in the development of antibodies and antivirals. Today, microorganisms are widely used in the field of biotechnology and research. So many labs use bacteria, fungi, and especially viruses for research studies. Non-virulent forms of these microorganisms are injected into subjects going through clinical trials. This in future helps in the development of medicines, vaccinations and cure for diseases. And DNA and RNA studies also make use of these microorganisms. There is also an activity for you all. You have to take a 500 ml beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Dissolve 2-3 teaspoons of sugar in it. Add half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. Now smell the solution. Could you get a smell? This is the smell of alcohol, as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. This process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. Children, the assignment for you all is write in your own words about the following and draw the diagrams also. Fermentation, biotechnology, vaccination. Give the diagrams also if required. And second question, draw the diagrams of different types of microorganisms. I hope you must have understood the topic. Thank you, children.